Ate Dap, anong difference nung LMIA sa new pathway? And then, yun. LMIA po, Labor Market Impact Assessment, yun yung document, diba, na kailangan na meron ang isang employer before they could hire foreign workers. So, old pathway po siya. Ay, ibig sabihin po no, na employers from Montreal, Quebec, ang Quebec is the province, Montreal is the city inside Quebec po. And then, tawag nito, yun po yung silang hire na employers na nagpo-provide ng LMIA. Outside Quebec po other provinces, halimbawa dito Calgary, Toronto, Vancouver, or other cities outside Montreal, yun po yung new pathway na po sila. So iba na po, merong nadagdag na requirements, but po yung halimbawa yung ECA tsaka yung yung IELTS, so yun yung sa mga new pathway. Kasi siya, bridging for PR kasi. But yun yung mga 18 years ago and 15 years ago na dito sa Canada, sila po yung ang document po na hawak ng mga employers before they hire foreign workers, LMO po ang tawag. Yun po yung labor market opinion. So parang nag-develop lang siya over time. So ngayon new pathway na. I'm not sure po this June may bago na naman.